It's Bron Biker. We're outside again. Like, share, comment, subscribe, my friend. These are the channel we recommend. And today we're going to do a quick video how to ride a bike in under 5 minutes. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's do it. Right, so let's start with the basics. We're not going to go too deep. So this is your throttle. Turn it towards you, power on, speed up. Turn it away from you, slow down, power off. This here is our front brake. Okay, when we're using the front brake, nice gentle squeeze when we're using it. What we don't want to do is snatch it. Make sense? Hope it does. Here is your back brake. Okay, when we're using the back brake, only use it ever so gently. Don't stamp on it. Here is what we call the clutch. Clutch in. This is going to be to help you to move away. This is going to help you to change gear, etc, etc. We're not going too deep into it. We just want to get you riding this bike. Okay, so this here, this is your gears. This is a sequential gearbox. So it's 1 down and 5 up. So it's 1 down, neutrals in the middle, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. Hope that makes sense to you. Okay, so now we know the basics of the controls. Now we're going to try and put it into good play. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all, make sure the bike's in neutral. Bike's in neutral, got the green light on. Start the bike up, clutch in. First gear, stand up. Right, so you keep your both feet on the floor. Start easing that clutch out just to feel where the friction point is, what they call the biting point. Okay, when you feel the bike's about to move, pull the clutch in, squeeze that front brake a bit. All right, so every time we're using the controls, make sure we're using them gently, we're not using them harshly. All right, so again, feel that biting point. Okay, clutch in, squeeze the front brake. Okay, so that friction point, that's the point where you're going to want to start to put the throttle on. All right, if you want to start moving. When we start moving the throttle, what we don't want to be doing is throwing it on like that. Nice and gentle throttle. Okay, hope that makes sense. So remember guys, every time you want to stop, all you need to do is turn that power off, squeeze that front brake. If you start to panic, don't worry about it. Turn the power off, gently squeeze both of the levers. Hope that makes sense. So again, if you start to panic, bike's moving erratic, turn the power off, squeeze both of them, nice and gentle. Make sense? So let's put it to practice. So friction point, power on, little bit of power. Now we're moving. We are moving. If we want to stop, we turn the power off, squeeze that front brake, squeeze that clutch in. Okay? So if we want to move, moving forward. If we want to stop, turn the power off, squeeze the front brake, clutch in before we stop. Hope that makes sense. Okay, so now we're going to go into the gears. So we're going to get the bike moving. As we start moving, we turn the power off, clutch in, kick up, release the clutch, power back on again. Now we're in second gear. Okay, if we want third gear, power off, clutch in, up again, gently ease off the clutch, back onto the power. Hope that makes sense. Okay, so we're moving, we're coming to a junction, and we need to slow down. We're in 6th gear, so we turn off the power, start braking, clutch in, start tapping down them gears, get that bike down to first. And away we go. So I hope that helped guys. Less than 5 minutes, show you how to ride a motorcycle. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, please, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. We out.